Once you've picked a place and time to give your newborn her baths, read over this list of tips that'll make the whole process a little easier and safer. Baby's bath time routine will help set her body clock, especially if you do it in the evening. Giving a bath to baby that means it's almost time for bed. Reinforce the sleepy time message by dimming the lights and keeping the noise and activity down after the bath is over. You should, however, postpone the bath if baby is hungry, grumpy, or has an upset tummy that wouldn't be good for anyone involved. Have everything on hand since you can never leave your baby in the bath, and it's no fun searching for what you need with a wet, naked infant in tow. The essentials include baby soap and shampoo, cotton washcloths, cotton balls, a plush towel or two, and a plastic basin. You may also want a new diaper, a set of clean clothes, and diaper ointment or cream for after the bath. Babies lose body heat very quickly, especially when they're naked, so make sure the bathing room is warm enough, aiming for a room temperature of about 75 to 80 degrees. A bathroom can be quickly warmed up with shower steam if necessary. You can put a warm washcloth on your baby's exposed parts like her tummy to keep her from getting cold. Whether you're using an infant tub or a sink, fill it first with just enough water to cover the bottom of her body, about 2 inches of water. Never put a baby in the tub while the water is still running. The water temperature should be warm, not hot, so test it with your elbow or the inside of your wrist, since those areas are more sensitive than your fingertips. Turn the cold water on first and turn it off last to avoid burning your child. Gently slide baby into the tub, feet first, holding her securely with one of your arms under her head. Use your hand to grasp her underarm farthest away from you, and the other supporting her bottom. She may be as slippery as a fish, but you'll soon get the hang of how to hang on to her. Once she's in, avoid letting her sit for too long in water. It can irritate baby's skin. Plus, she might get chilly. You do use soap for a newborn sponge bath, but pick a mild one and focus on her hands and diaper area when you're bathing. You can just use water on the rest of her body most days, unless she's really dirty. Dip a corner of a washcloth or cotton ball in the warm water, and gently wipe one eye from the inner corner outward, and then use a different corner or a clean cotton ball for the other eye. Wet the washcloth entirely and wash her face. A bit of soap is fine here, especially around the mouth and under the chin where milk and drool can pool, and inside and behind her ears. Never use a cotton swab to clean inside baby's ears. Dip the washcloth in warm water and wash little one's neck and torso. Maneuver carefully around the umbilical cord if there's still a stump. It is okay to gently wipe away any crustiness around it. Next, clean under her arms and between her fingers. Be sure to get into those little creases and skin folds. Use a soft, clean cloth, gentle soap, and lukewarm water to clean your baby's genitals. For a girl, wash the area from front to back. And don't forget to gently wipe between skin folds. If you have a baby boy who's been circumcised, wipe his penis clean. If your baby boy is uncircumcised, no need to pull back his foreskin. Next up is that tiny little bottom. Use a little soap. If baby absolutely hates being bathed in the tub, go back to sponge baths for a few days and then try again. She'll get the hang of it eventually. Never leave a baby alone in or near the tub, and always keep at least one hand on her body at all times. If unfortunately you've forgotten something, you'll need to take your baby with you to get it and grab it.